So today we're going hiking. Right now we're here at the Baal Gap picnic area, which is in Lithgow, New South Wales. So on the way here we got a little bit lost, so we went into the Baal Colliery and we drove in, and that's what Google Maps took us.
So never put Baal Gap on your Google, because they will route you to that colliery area. So colliery area is like where they process coal and all of that before they sell it to whatever country that they will be getting into.
So anyway, we drove in and eventually bumped into guys that works there, and we got some direction from them, so we had to drive back all the way to the main highway and back to
Castlereagh. So that's the Castlereagh highway is the main highway, and then your landmark is the railway station, and then before the railway station you will turn right and you will go to the Hodgkinson Road, and into the Hodgkinson Road just go run through it and you will end up into the Muffets Trail. Follow that one and you will end up here in Baal Gap.
And also important thing to know is that in order to get here is you'll have to have a four-wheel drive, because
not the two-wheel drive.
Yeah, not the two-wheel drive. It's a not an extreme four-wheel drive, but there are a few spots that have some deep mud holes. So if you get bogged there,
it's very hard.
You can't get out. So if you have a four-wheel drive, you should be fine. And yeah, to get to here where we are now, picnic area. So we're gonna go for a hike all the way to
Pantonys Crown.
Pantonys Crown. So run us through what we're gonna go from here.
Yeah, so from here we're just gonna do some bush bashing going into the top. We're gonna do some bush bashing going into the top, and into the top that's a plateau going up to the Baal Point, which is the top of just the point of this whole, it's kind of like a bone, and then from there we're gonna descend and we're gonna go through this thick vegetation area. So from there it's gonna be a established trail going to the Pantonys Crown, and from there we're gonna go at the top again in the plateau, and then we're gonna go down going to the to the plains and going back in Bicentennial Road, which is this one, Bicentennial National Trail.
Today we're gonna try and get up there for, say, I don't know, so 3-4 hours or 5,
maybe
even
more. Yeah,
so
5.
hopefully it won't take us long, because it's a very I think it's a very hot day today. So hopefully we get to the campsite. We're gonna find an area, we're gonna camp for the night, relax there for the rest of the day, and then head back here the same area where we started from. Alright, so I think it's time to hit the tracks, so let's go.
Let's go. Alright, so we'll be going now. We'll be doing a very quick bush bashing. I don't know how quick. We're gonna do bush bashing, and then
I want to try and find a way up
and to the plateau. Let's get it on. Dako kay sapatos. 1, 2, 3.
So we're at the top of the plateau, and we've found an awesome shape of rock.
Snake air, I call it back air.
Awesome,
mate. It's very cool.
We're still at 95%. I think
we'll be there tomorrow.
We'll be there. It's getting a bit hot now. And we're gonna keep going.
The good thing about this is that once you're at the top, there's actually no problem. We're just gonna walk in the plateau.
Once you get to the top, you see it's worth it. See this. Look at that. Look at that. Woo. Alright, so we have been walking for about, I don't know, almost 2 hours, and we're still at the top of the plateau. And we came across with some really good rock formations, and we stood at the top of them. We took a lot of photos, so it's taking some time, and we're just taking our time. But we're gonna keep going. Very beautiful. Another wildlife encounter on the Australian bush.
Very nice. Welcome back here next year, and we'll see if you're still there, right? Stay!
Alright. Look at this
We're here.
spectacular views.
Woo!
Yeah.
God. So good. So nice. I got a view.
Finally, we'd stop for lunch.
Lunchtime.
Lunch.
Woo.
Finally lunchtime.
12:30.
So yeah, time check. It's 12:35. There's Shang, and that's Wilfred. Yoo! There's more of the rock platforms. Beautiful, beautiful rocks. It's one of a kind. It's like a.
It's like we're in a
Temple.
different planet. We're in a different planet.
Mars.
Feels like so different.
So different. It's shaped like a. What's that? I wouldn't. They call it a temple, sort of temple.
Pagoda.
The pagoda. That's the one. So high up right now. We're at the end of the Baal Plateau. We are going to descend from here, and we
Go to the creek, so we don't have water. We're out of
Yeah.
water.
It's too hot today. We use a lot of water, and we need some water.
Let's get it on.
Alrighty.
Pump, pump, pump.
Let's go.